Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check your move minutes, which is a measure of anything that gets you moving. So you can keep track of your daily activity, how active you are throughout your day or throughout your workout sessions. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now click on the third icon down below. Now click on the first option, activity. Scroll down to the data section till you find the move minutes section and click on it. Here you can see a chart indicating the minutes that you have spent, and this will help you to keep track of your daily activities and understand how active you are each day. Here down below you can see the exact and proper number of minutes, how much you have moved this day. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.